up, Chicken Rick? Chicken Rick with a great big chicken dick. What's up, hair do, hair did, hair done? What's up, crook neck, flock of seagulls, haircut? What's up, Rick Flyer? What's up, little black girl? Watch out, Rick. Be fucking around today, buddy. Fuck around, find out, son. Watch out, flock of seagulls. I know, Joe, I'm coming, buddy. Better get in there, Rick Flyer, get you something. What's up, guinea girls? What's up, Joe? Daddy's late this morning, ain't he? Daddy's always late on Saturdays. Y'all feed. What's up, lavender bird, guinea? What's up, girls? What's up, mama goat? You alright, baby? Get your ass out of that. Nosy bastards. Is that you, chicken named Slickback? What's up, old Crowfoot? I'm gonna have to have some water too, ain't you? Better let her up in there now, Joe. That's some eggs. Watch out, Mama. Y'all waiting for the goodies, ain't you? Y'all like those goodies on there. Them toppers. That's goat feed toppers. Like a goat feed topper. Look at these old eggs here. A few little old eggs. Quit raking it out, Mama. Fuck's sakes. Shit, there's always one in a bad spot. Y'all need to lay the goddamn boxes I made for you. Y'all don't even lay in them fucking boxes. Bitch ass chickens. Alright, girls. Come on, let's go do it. What's up, Rick? What you doing in that bucket, girl? Already hot out here, ain't it? Hands. Got y'all some lettuce in there today again. There you go. What's up, Billy? You want to fight again today?